Hey everyone, check out this case I just got my hands on, the Phanteks Eclipse P400A Digital. This thing is seriously impressive, especially for the price. Right off the bat, the mesh front panel is a huge win. We all know airflow is king when it comes to PC builds, and this mesh just screams optimal cooling. Plus, it looks sleek. And speaking of looks, the tempered glass side panel is a nice touch. You get to show off all your hard work and RGB goodness inside. Now let's talk size. It's a mid-tower, so it's compact, but don't let that fool you. This case is surprisingly spacious. You can fit up to an EATX motherboard in here, which is insane. Plus, you've got room for a 280 or even a 360mm radiator in the front. If you're thinking about vertical GPU mounting, you can totally do that too with a separate bracket. Phanteks really thought of everything with this one. One of the coolest features has got to be the integrated digital RGB controller. It comes with 3 pre-installed DRGB fans that can sync with compatible motherboards. The lighting effects are stunning, and it's super easy to control. No more messing around with separate RGB controllers. It's all built in. And for all you storage junkies out there, this case has you covered. You can fit a whopping 6 HDDs and 8 SSDs. I mean, come on. That's more than enough for any gamer or content creator. They even include a couple of dedicated brackets to make installation a breeze. Little details like easy access to the I/O panel are what make this case stand out. You've got 2 USB 3.0 ports, mic and headphone jacks, power and reset buttons, and even the DRGB controller right there on the front. Super convenient. Overall, the Phanteks Eclipse P400A Digital is a fantastic case. It's got great airflow, a sleek design, tons of features, and it's all at a price that won't break the bank. If you're looking for a new mid-tower case, you absolutely need to check this one out. Seriously, it's a contender for one of the best budget PC cases out there right now. It ticks all the boxes for me. Let me know what you think in the comments below.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.